welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious, crispy and juicy chicken pakoda. It's a delicious tea time snack. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So let's get started. Let's see the ingredients for this delicious recipe.
So we need about 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, some finely chopped coriander leaves, some finely chopped curry leaves, 2 green chilies which is finely chopped, the juice of 1 lime. I've used the chili chicken powder. You can also use the garam masala, and half a kg of chicken.
So all our ingredients are absolutely ready. Let's start and prepare the recipe.
Now take a bowl. Into the bowl, let's add about 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. Now let's add the finely chopped curry leaves. Now let's add the green chilies which is finely chopped. Now let's add some coriander leaves which is finely chopped. Now let's add sufficient salt. Now add about 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Now let's add the juice of 1 lime. Now let's add the chili chicken powder. You can also add the garam masala powder instead of chili chicken powder. Let's add about 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. You can alter the chili powder according to your taste. Now give it a quick mix. At this stage, let's add 1 egg. Mix it together and add sufficient water to make it a nice thick paste. See to that there are no lumps. Now you can see that our batter is absolutely ready. It's nice and thick. At this stage, let's add the chopped chicken. Cut the chicken into nice bite-sized pieces and mix it well into the batter. Let's soak the chicken for about 1 hour so that all the masala is well absorbed in the chicken. It's always better to use a boneless chicken for this recipe. Now you can see that our chicken is absolutely ready. It has been marinating for about 1 hour. Let's heat oil in a pan. When the oil is nice and hot, start dipping the chicken pieces into the oil. Let's fry the chicken till they are nice and crispy. You can see that our chicken is nice and crispy now. At this stage, let's add some curry leaves into the hot oil to give a nice flavor to the pakoda. When the chicken is nice and crispy, let's strain it from the hot oil and keep it aside. So similarly, repeat the same process and fry the rest of the chicken. So now let's split the chicken pakoda and garnish it with some finely chopped coriander leaves and slices of lemon.
So that's it, friends. Our delicious, crispy and juicy chicken pakoda is absolutely ready. This can also be used as a starter. So do try this delicious recipe and let me know your comments. If you like this video, like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below. See you all soon with another interesting recipe.